Hello everyone, this is my first video on my vlog, a farmer in field. Actually now we are starting the wheat flooding with water and something like in our food like DAP, sulfur or something else. Now it's almost now going for the maybe like in 7 to 8 weeks, so it's growing nicely. It's all about the wheat field now. We are starting first time in my video. It is properly, so that is a perfect view. So it's almost now in 7 to 8 weeks, and you must watch this video. I'm so thankful to you everybody who subscribe me and follow me and like me. Because of it is like first time ever I'm start this. Mostly I am uploaded short videos. It is like a hole for water for flooding the field. That's like so it is something is dropping water from here, so I will close now. It's easily with some mud or like something you like cement there or etc, something like that. So you must be holding on to. I will watching on this. This was it's absolutely closed now. So that's, I wish that it's closed. Yeah, it is something dropping. So it's not properly closed. So let's recheck how to I am close that. It's like waste of water only. So yeah, that one, that's nice. That's from here. It's dropping from here. So I will close. This is now properly closing from some mud or like to, if you like your cement, so it's easily. Yeah, that's nice. This is something from what it is closed. Yeah, that's nice. This is perfect view now on my video. You must watch it and subscribe me, share me, and give me your comments for my video. I'm actually first time use my video in properly in some field. This is starting from to here. So everyone must watch for this. This is starting from here. Yeah, that is traditionally cropping.